Ahoy and welcome back to Anvil Saga. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the stall upgraded. So hopefully we've got enough food. We've got plenty of food. We've got three meals worth of food. We've got, after the upgrade, probably enough wage to pay. What do you want? Why are you like? Oh, you're just knackered. So yeah, we can get this stall upgraded and that's going to help us out. So let's expand the stall. Where is it? Oh, just click on that. 350 gold coins? I haven't got enough. I thought it was 200. Oh well. Let's keep going. Right, go sleep, you loser. Right. What's Arthur doing? Oh, he's still working down in the mine. Okay. Right. Oh, hello. The blacksmith just done. And all thumbs, I hope. No. I could take your order. What is your order? Best possible sword. Impeccable. Sir Philippe. Ooh. Alright. A grindstone. We have to place the grindstone. Do we even have a grindstone? Place a grindstone. Where's the furniture? Why am I losing it? Buy new furniture. Is this a workbench? Oh, I upgraded it already. That's blindness, that is. Well, we ain't got the money to buy a grindstone. Place the grindstone. We literally don't have a grindstone, so I don't think we have the money to buy one unless they're giving us like one free grindstone. No, we're not getting 3 grindstones out of this. Okay, Arthur, get going. Tell you what we're going to have to do for this chap. We're going to have to get it on, make it so, get some cash, and let's go. This guy's going to be up soon, so he'll get ready to replace Arthur. Yeah, we're doing all right. Bit of a problem. Right, let's get going. Right, you're ready to roll. Get going, chum. Right, we're going to have to rely on our Arthur to do some deeds. Hopefully he'll get that food cooked soon and we'll be able to get on with reality, servicing the people. What do we get for that? Totally building one of those. That's 30 gold coins. Right, you. Eat that food. What have we got next? 4 and we get 12. Let's do it. Nice. 2 we get 15. Excellent. Oh, he's unhappy with that. Fine. I'll return the money soon, I promise. Okay. You're ready to roll? Go, get in that mine. Alright, 2 for 7. We can do that. Oh, we should probably... Yeah, okay, we'll do that. Go. Yeah, and that. Oh. No, not that. Hello. The beer is safe and the abbot's happy. Yes. What do you need this time? Okay. Okay. Oh no. How many days? Okay. Go on then. Alright. Go. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Back in a minute. I mean, I'm a little annoyed. We got some cash. That's fine. Right. Hopefully it'll be worth it. We just got to do a bit of grinding away. No, you go away. I will take that deed. And I will take that deed. Go, go, go. Done. Done. No. Yeah. Yeah, go on. It's a bit of a rip-off, but I like the clergy. No, we're gone. Right, and we'll get that done as well. Is that 7? Get lost. That's an absolute abject rip-off of my time. I'm not doing that. Right. Hello. Oh, thanks. God blimey. Maker of France. I don't know. I mean, I feel like I've been mean to England, so alright, let's do it. Relationship. I did it for the money. I'll do it as a gift. Alright. What do they want? England wants loads of horseshoes, obviously. Right. Right. Oh no. Right. Bah. Bah. Right, what is this? Reject that. Right, stop these people coming. No. No, I mean, that's quite realistically actually quite a good deal. But we got no bits. It's like an investment. I'll do it. And it's for the clergy. So let's have a look at Thins. Oh well, he's doing well. It'll be nice to have an apprentice back. Oh, oh, fiddlesticks. Ah, Allah. It would be nice to have an apprentice back. That's alright. I'll do it all. Make 10 items in 2 days. It's fine. How you doing for food anyway? You doing alright? Yeah, you got plenty of food. Arthur's alright. Good, good, good. Did he punish? Wow, you won't receive their salary for 45 seconds. That doesn't sound like the worst punishment in the world. Alright. Arthur's learning the fine art of tool making. Universal tools. That is not great. Okay, right. Nice. This is coming along. How's the reps going? Yeah, England basically doesn't like me very much. Oh, hello. You're back. Right. Go. Good. Let's get going. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I mean, how can... Alright, okay. Alright. Yeah, go on. It's all good. Yay! Okay. Alright, good. We're getting to the point now where we can almost do things. Alright, let's get this witch's pot built, and we're going to be alright. I feel like we've got a lot going on. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. I mean, it gave us a lot of cash, so which is reassuring. Rain, bad. Delivery submersions take longer. Wood is higher. Order prices are higher. Clients come less often. Hunters merchants don't come. Okay, fine. Yeah, have a little pray. It's good. But it's kind of cool. We're getting this done. We're playing sort of catch up with the whole crafting stuff. I'm just wondering, do we hire another dude in? Right, let's get this done. No. Right, it's fine. Go to bed, you. Cease you praying. What's that with you? You're fine. Right. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. I will. I'll always stand with my country, I think. Or do I like the French? I don't know. I'm torn. Right, how are we doing for food? We're just stopping. Right, so you've got there. One. We've got 5 food there. So that means we've got 211. We just need to get back to our mojo, really. Oh, high cost. This guy's... What are you? Any good? Not really. And you're 30, but you know what? Screw it. Multiple employees is always good. Right. Has he got any interesting characteristics? Oh, right, brilliant. What a genius. He's the guy. What's that? You're going to be working down in the mine? Excellent. Right. We do need to get this forge rolling, though. Right, tools wise as well. What are you doing tools wise? That there. Nice. Right, what have we got here? That's a good deal. Well, it's not a great deal, but you know, it's better than nothing. That's fine. Great. He's unhappy. Yeah, alright. Go on. I'll have it. Nice. Alright. Just try and make enough money to wage everyone up. Right. Go, go, go. No, that's rubbish. Right. Oh, upset the priests. Always the way. Right, and then we need to deal with some... Right, hello Arthur. Right. Get cooking, baby. Hello, it's a minstrel. Well, just pause. Right, I'll take your order. I will reject you and accept you. Right. I love you, French. You are so very ambivalent. Yeah, I'll do that as well. Alright. Arthur, munch. Right. 5. Okay, we need to get that done. Oh no! Doctor, what? University's at stake. What's at stake now? Oh, a time funnel minute player. You know what now? I mean, okay. Right, so what do we need to build this thing? I don't know. 50 gold to do it. Okay. We'll buy some food while we're here. Right. We need to prioritise that, do that, start building it. Right. What have we got coming in? No. No. Yes. Right. You. No. No, this is an error. God dang it. Right. 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 Now we're in a steady flow. I mean, mistakes were made. Yeah. Oh, the doctor. Right. I wonder who that was. Oh dear. Right. We're after money though. We're trying to make a profit here. We need to get enough money to pay everyone, get the food together. Oh, right. That's a good deal. I mean, no, yeah. I'm not the most savvy of businessmen, am I? No, yeah. Right. The English don't like me very much. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that one, even though it's debt. No, reject that. Do that. And that. And that. Hey, it's all going well. I'll have that. And I'll also have that. Which is... Oh, that's a really good deal. I'll do that one. Reject you. Nice. Alright, and then we just chill for a minute. Check the state of everything. 3 out of 5, 5 out of 5. Good, good, good. Right, now we can place this grindstone. We'll do that. Reject, reject. Do that. What is this? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do that as well. Nice. Right, so now we can buy this grindstone. I don't know where we can place it though, so where does the grindstone go? Great, we've got nowhere to actually put it. Okay, that's a problem in itself, so we need to build a room there. Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to... I don't know if we can even build a room. Can we build a new room? Right. Oh. No, build another room. There, on the back there. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to build 2 rooms. I mean... And this is going to turn into the workshop. Yeah, right. I know we're standing around idly. Am I standing around idly? That's better. Right, lovely. How's it going with everyone anyway? That guy's going to build the rooms. I think all the rooms are going to get built. Yeah, they'll be along in a minute. Right, you'll do some cooking. We need to carry on grinding things down. Good, good. Right. Nice. And then you're going to become a living room. And then we're going to move the furniture. Furniture room. Move that in there. Move that. Is it R to rotate it? Yeah, that in there and that there. And then this is going to become... Move that there. Move that there. Move that there. That food situation can stay like so. You are gonna become a... Change the room type. That is going to become a... Not a training room, not a library. It's going to become a workshop. Yep, and then we're going to put a... We're going to put a grindstone. There. Ha! Right. Yeah, okay. Alright. So this muffin is going to do this. And then over here to give it a sharpening. Boom. Excellent. Right, what are we doing now? Doing that there. What are you doing? Go to sleep then, you loser. Alright. Arthur is okay. This is coming along here. We're sort of getting stocked up with everything we need. Blimey. Day 10. Day 10. I don't know how we achieved a thing where we don't feed someone for 10 days and they're still alive. Hello. Alright, yeah. Bandits. We're fighting both English and the French. Well, that's exactly what the sort of guy you need on your side, isn't it? Okay. Why do you need me? Yeah? Alright. We don't have enough arms. Okay. What do we get for this then? Relations with French should get worse by 10. Oh, brilliant. And what do we do for this? I mean, maybe Luca is really fair. I mean, I don't want trouble from the bandits. I'm sure they'll pay me well. Alright, keep it on. We've got quite a bit of cash, so our apprentices are sleeping, so we can just get the work done. Because Arthur's a beast. Hello. What is wrong? I don't know what does this indicate? He seems fully stocked, fully happy. I don't know, go in the mine. Right. Oh, maybe that just means no work to do. Makes a lot of sense. How's he going anyway? He's enjoying his mining career. He's actually really, really good at mining, which is shocking. Okay, we've got plenty of time to deliver this order, so I'm feeling good about that. Let's get constructing. Arthur's a bit knackered, but don't worry, this guy's going to be back soon, although he's not very good, so not the best in the world. Hello. Oh, what are you doing? No, I want you to do that actually. Oh, hello. Okay. Make an order for England. Church or the witches? I'm going to go for England because England don't like me. Do I need money or do I need... What do we get for that? We get 215 gold, or we get improved relationship with England by 13 points. I mean, England really don't like me. I mean, that was the bandits' fault though, so... Go on. Alright. So I'll do this for the bandits. I literally have to do everything at the moment. This is a ridiculous demand being placed upon me. This is ridiculous. Right, Arthur's getting it all wrong. Go and grab some food, Arthur. Alright, this mojo. We need to get going. It's only a 5% chance he's going to screw it up, so that's not so bad. Right, he's doing okay. Go to sleep then. Lovely. Yeah. Yeah, I am going to pay him with 25 coins. Come on. Keep crafting away. Then's is going to get work done. That's full, that's full. That's not full. Right. Right, so we need to get another bunch of stuff together. 18 items in... okay. Oh my word. Yeah? Entrepreneur, fellow entrepreneur, and a conscientious citizen of the wonderful province. What can we do for you? Yeah, alright, that's nice. What's this? You want to make an orphanage? Yeah, alright. Yeah, you're a hero. What's this? Bowls. Alright. One thing at a time, eh? Well, hopefully everything's going to work out okay. Right, let's do it. And this is kind of coming last. Daggers? I feel this dude isn't making like bits of cheese. What is he doing? Why has he failed to make anything of any use? Is it because he's a clown who's absolutely useless? Potentially. Arthur, eat the food. I was too tired to eat. Great. He's terrible at everything. Right, Arthur. Step in. Let's get going. And you're too much of a clown to actually be of any good use, so... Get down here. You are now mining, boy. Can two people be in the mine? No good. Right, let's sort this situation out. There you go. You're mining, man. And you are now helping on the earth, or helping up the top land. Right. Good. I have no idea what's going on with this. What the hell, Arthur? Oh my word, what's going on with you? Fine. My whole team of people is just very special at the moment. Oh my word! Yeah? A special idol. Alright. What do you need? Alright, yeah, brilliant. Right, you, Gertrude. Right, you're just standing idle, so let's get going. I'm not sure what I'm making. We've done it. Yes. Right, hopefully with a little bit of luck we can get this done. Almost there. Hurrah! I mean, I'll almost say it's altruistic, but there you go. Right, so hopefully we'll get these things done. And do we need more food? We're good for food. Right, absolutely marvellous. This ding dong's ready to roll. We've done it. We've fed the bandits. Hooray! And everyone likes us. Yeah, that's lovely. Oh, we're loaded as well. Which means that we can determine another use for it. We got another book here. We got a training room, a library. What else have we got? A working room there and a kitchen. Right. Well, I think we're going to need a library, aren't we? So, yeah. Let's say it's a library. And what do we need? What does a library require? Table, chairs, and a bookshelf. All right. Comfort level 2, comfort level 1. Okay, so you... Let's look at furnish the room. Let's sell that and then build a new... Boom. That's a super duper bed. We'll keep that bed around for the time being. Wow. Oh. Really? You can take a nap on that? That's really useful. Right. Anyway, that's not what I want. Alright. Right. Next thing. Oh, we got a bigger chest as well. Man. Can we deal with that? So, if we sell that, and then we can build a bigger chest. I mean, that's good because it stores more. And then bookcases. Boom. And what else do we need? We need other things. Tables and chairs. Okay, right. A table. And a chair. Alright, here's our reading room after all. We got no books, but that's fine. What is this? Right, food. How are we doing for food? 2 out of 5. Right, so can we buy some more stuff? What books can we buy? Armor making, woodworking, Bible, jewellery, mechanics, tempering and advanced tools. Equipment for workers. Oh, we could start to buy. Alright, is there a generic tools? Right, so forging tools, smelting tools. Pretty good for working the furnace and anvil. Other workbenches require different tools. So this is okay, right. Oh, so much. No unique goods. And then we got ore, wood, all that stuff. All that stuff. Haha. Right, so we'll just pause it here, just checking out our levels. We've got no wood. Do we need to buy wood storage? Probably. Is it furniture? Wood crate. No, we haven't got around to woodworking yet. Good. Good. Okay. And then we'll just look to expand, just to check to see where we can build any more. All right, underground is the way to go. Okay. Phew. Right, so we need to worry about food and other things. How are we doing for food? Oh, health. Food. He's going to be needing some food and energy. That's sorted, that's sorted. I think we're sort of at the point now where we've kind of got an established... Ugh, isn't that annoying? They're really cheap. What do you do anyway? You suck. Oh, brilliant. No, we're not doing that yet. So is this guy developed any skills? Early bird. Prefers to work in the morning. Right. Excellent. Okay. What's this guy doing? Okay, sweet. I think they've sort of developed all their skills. We need to like worry about books. Oh, books are pretty relaxingly cheap, aren't they? Woodworking, that. How much have we even got book storage? Actually, how many books can we store in here? Does it say? There's no books in this bookshelf. Okay, well we'll buy some books. Right. So books. Armor making, woodworking, jewellery. Sounds valuable. And then we'll buy some food. And buy that chisel. Right. And we are good to roll. But unfortunately, we're going to have to roll for next time. So I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, consider membership. That is all absolutely super and most helpful. And I will see you for the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.